pros of being mixed is I can connect with both sides. And I get to be on both sides of white and black. And that's the good part of being mixed. I feel good about my hair. One of the pros of being mixed is I get to connect with both sides of black and white, and I get to just communicate with the black side and the white side, and I get it's just like a gift to be mixed. So now I can just communicate with both sides whenever I want to. And I get to have just a good skin color, not a bad one.
Hi, I'm Braedon, the Kid Ambassador for Khaki Colored Kidz. I just wanted to tell you that one way you can be kind is by inviting somebody new into your friend group. If somebody looks like they need a friend, then be one for them.
My name Kid Peso and I love to hit the dork. I be dorking every day, I hit the dork like it's a sport. I be dorking in the rain, I be dorking in the snow. Or your market said ready, I'm about to dork, so here I go. I be dorking with the girls from the north and the south. Mama told me, boy, please, no dorking in my house. I be dorking in my tummy, in my Louis V's. I be dorking in my Fendi and my F and double G. I be dorking to the left, I be dorking to the right. We dork everywhere because we dork on sight. No messing with my dork, no flexing with my dork. You try to hit the dork, you get hit with the fork. Now do the dork, hit the dork, do the dork, hit the dork, dork it, dork, dork it, dork, do the dork, hit the dork like you don't give a fork. Now do the dork, hit the dork, do the dork, hit the dork, dork it, dork, dork it, dork. Hit the dork, do the dork like you don't give a fork.
I lean when I dork, I rock when I dork. I be dorking on the balcony, I be dorking on the porch. I be dorking at home, I be dorking at the school. I be dorking in my Jordans, I be dorking in my shoes. I be dorking with your mama and your grandmama too.
Braedon, what's wrong?
I'm just dry.
I know what he needs. Yes. Ah! What are you doing? Make sure you use Khaki Colored Kidz hair detainer. And make sure you use Khaki Colored Kidz moisturizer.